Assam is also one of the areas which has been identified as one of the high conflict, human-elephant conflict in entire Asian landscape. My name is Dr. Vibhuti Prasad Lankar. I am head of Asian Elephant Conservation Division of Aranyak. Human-elephant conflict is a negative interaction where both the species, human and elephant, has as an impact. Human keep on losing their life, property or crops. As a result of that, people level of toleration also goes down.
बोथोरा आसिन मासनिफ्राय जात्रा फैदो होनदों बेनिफ्राय माइ दै जायो आरो न' बां सिफायो गयफोरखौबो सिफायजोबलांबाय आरो न'फोरखौबो सिफायजोबलांबाय आरो ओमफ्राय मा खालामनो फैबाय थायोबा होनोबो हाया हारसिं हालाबो आरो लोगोफोर फैयो आरो होफायो होफानानै आरो ओजों बन्दार लायो जोङो
Human-elephant conflict is increasing day by day as forest cover is comparative to earlier is losing. We are losing our forest areas, and elephant particularly, there is a long-ranging animal. They do not they are not only found in protected area or forest area. They also most of the time they comes into the villages as their home. Some of the homelands fall in villages or their corridors fall in the villages. They have to go through. They need to go through villages. As a result of that, as now most of the corridors are blocked, human often we encounter with elephant, and as a result of that, conflict takes place. So Assam plays a very important role for conservation of Asian elephant in its range countries. Apart from South India, our Northeast India, including Assam, play important role in the population. Assam has more than 5,000 elephants. Sometimes tolerance level of various people is not always equal. So that's why they do different types of wrong things.
आदमी लोग पहले वो लोग आग दिखाता है, मसाल लेके जाता है और मसाल का बीच में कोई गुलटिस या केटेपा बोलता है यहाँ में आसाम में गुलटिस यूज करता है और गुलटिस से उसको मारता है और कोई किसी आदमी तीर से भी मार देता है उसको धनुष का तीर से मारता है तब तो उसका खराब हो जाता है और कोई अंदर रिमोट एरिया में तो बंदूक से भी मार देता है उसका या में पैर शेर में चुनी कर देता है उसको बहुत घायल भी कर देता है
People put illegal fences which directly connected to domestic line, inverter or generator, and also people sometimes put spike. Sometimes they also injure elephant with fire breakers. All these things people do wrong things to keep away elephant. Aranyak is a non-governmental organization based in Northeast India. Our priority is to conserve the natural rich heritage of Northeast India using research, education, livelihood, policy advocacy as different tools. So Aranyak, as being local NGO from Northeast India, we are also trying to help complement Forest Department effort in mitigating the human-wildlife conflict and also facilitate coexistence in Assam. Awareness meeting, support conflict victim with livelihood, and also we try to actively involved in mitigation of conflict, like installation of solar based fences, which is community based. Most we train local community so that local community can take care of fence once fencing is handed over to them.
এটা আৰণ্যক নামৰ NGOয়ে যোৱা এপ্ৰিল মাহত আহি আমাৰ লগত যোগাযোগ কৰি কিনে আমাক এটি সোলাৰ পেনেল স্থাপিত কৰি দিয়ে, সোলাৰ ফেন্সিং লগাই দিয়ে। তাৰ ফলত তেতিয়াৰ পৰা এতিয়া আমাৰ ইয়াতে ফেন্সিংটো চলি আছে, সোলাৰ পেনেলটো চলি আছে। তেতিয়াৰ পৰা আমাৰ ইয়াতে বনৰীয়া হাতীৰ উপদ্ৰৱটো মানে কম হৈ গ'ল।
Currently we are working in Baksa, Udalguri district, we are working in Gwalpara, we are working in Nagaon, we are also working in Golaghar. In the long term, we are also working to restore habitat. Currently we are working in two areas. One is in Nagaon district, where we have restored 2 water holes.
We have done here vegetation sampling, and we did it by quadrant method. Okay, so we have analyzed all the vegetation, and we have counted all the weeds found over this place. Then we have removed the weeds. Again, we have used manpower to dig this place, to excavate the mud, and then we have converted this place into a waterhole area. Aranyak has an aim to restore all the dried up water bodies and also cultivate some fodder plants inside the forest areas so that elephant doesn't go out in search of food and water.
That area was completely invaded by invasive species. We call it Chromolena odorata, and we have removed that from 20 hectares, and now this year jointly with Forest Department we did the plantation. Working in the field of elephant conservation, our dream is to facilitate coexistence. Of course, elephant is our god. See elephant as their friend. Elephant is the everything, which bring revenue, which bring livelihood to them, and where people allow free movement of elephant through the villages. And for that, there is a comprehensive work required from all the stakeholders jointly, so that we can complement each other work. We can And as is a big animal, and our area of effect is also very high. So we need to appreciate the conservation value of elephant. In the same time, we need science for scientific information, especially movement, population, all these things. We need to provide livelihood to conflict victims. We need to aware local people, so that if we continuously do for next 10 years, probably we will able to achieve our dreams, and will be happy to see the coexistence in Assam. Coexistence is a system where nobody do any kind of interaction, negative interaction. It's like a big dream that elephants are moving along our